Like any business, you're trying to streamline, you're trying to produce the same product, but more efficiently. And Naviate certainly helps with that. You know, it speeds up that process. You can produce really good quality documents, quality information for the construction team. So when they go to construct it, it works. Coordination is less and its clashes are less. And traditionally, the structure, especially the structural engineer stuff, always clashes with the MEP stuff. And we can have that dealt with before it goes to site. It has a professional benefit, an employee use benefit, but also a business benefit. Symetri have been excellent from both introducing us to the product, advising us on what product suits our business. And when you have a new piece of software that you haven't used before or an add-on to a new piece of software, there's a learning curve. There's frustrations sometimes because something doesn't work you expect it to work. It's obviously doing it a different way, and we found Symetri excellent. We can reach out to them quite regular. We can get guidance and assistance and training, and that has been very, very helpful. If you look at the capital management framework from the government on all government projects and the values that they're now decreasing, BIM is going to be the standard in the future. ACC Docs, Revit, Naviate, all these software packages are essential to be able to apply those standards and be professional in that environment. And I can only see that becoming the norm. And I see that's where the industry is going.